Hi, it's Joan. This week we're looking at defence and in particular defensive signals. The first and the bread and butter of defensive signals is called the attitude signal. And what that means is that you're telling partner your attitude to their lead. What do you think of their lead? And the way you're allowed to do this in bridge is a certain card that you play. When partner's made a lead, you're allowed to say, I like it or I don't like it. Keep that suit coming or try and find something else to do. So it's really important that you agree with partner whether you want to play what's called high to encourage or low to encourage. Low is more easy to follow in terms of the card you see, but it's not better than high to encourage. It's just a choice between partnerships. So low to encourage is very popular because they say low I like. But let's look at the situation where you would play low I like. Partner wins a trick, or partner leads and dummy wins the trick, and you're the third person to play. Now you should tell partner your attitude. How do you like their lead? What you often would like them to do is keep playing that suit. Rather than just liking their lead, what you're really saying is, partner, keep playing that suit. And many times it might be because you can tell them you can trump, or maybe you've got winners in that suit. But the lower the card you play, the more you want them to continue. The opposite applies, and the higher your card you play, the opposite. You don't want them to. It is actually really important that you get your signalling methods right, because many people are confused and they're not sure whether the card partner played. Remember, partner's only got a certain number of cards they've been dealt to, so you're not always going to get the perfect card. But with low I like, the lower the card, and partner has to look at all the cards they can see in their hand and dummy to see whether the card you played is a low card. Anyway, attitude signals are the bread and butter signals. Try the hand and see how interesting it is that from the card you played at trick one, it gave partner like the roadmap of the hand, how to defend the hand. Have a good week. This hand has an ace and a queen, so definitely pass over one diamond by east. And now East-West have found their heart fit. We pass again. They've gone to game. Partner will be on lead. And the focus is attitude signals, and we're playing low to encourage. So when partner leads the 10 of spades, they won't have the jack, because if they had the jack 10, they would have led the jack, the top of the touching honours. So the 10 denies the jack, which means the jack is in declarer's hand. Ace, king in dummy, we've got the queen. We would dearly like to make the queen, and in order to do that, we need partner to play spades again if they regain the lead. So we need to make a signal, an attitude signal, to tell partner that we like spades, but even more, we would like them to continue spades when they win a trick. So the 2 is the card that tells partner, yes, please continue spades. And they're continuing spades just as we asked. We would like clubs, so we play the 2 of clubs, an attitude signal saying we'd like you to play clubs, partner, if you get the lead. They're rising with the ace, and they're continuing a spade just as we asked. We've taken 3 tricks. Now we'll play the ace of clubs, taking our 4th trick and beating the hand. When you see the whole hand, Declarer's plan in four hearts would have been to promote the diamonds. They're missing the ace of hearts, the ace of clubs, and the ace of diamonds. And so they're the only three tricks they can lose. They can't afford to lose a spade. So what their plan is to force out the ace of hearts, then promote diamonds and discard a losing spade on the fourth round of diamonds. But if the defenders lead a spade and South signals that they like spades and they continue spades, before declarer is able to discard a losing spade on the diamond, North will win the ace of diamonds and play the third round of spades. Thus the importance of attitude signals. Not only saying, partner, yes, I like your lead, but saying, please continue that suit if you regain the lead.